Good evening and welcome to the 2021 graduating class for the Respiratory Care program at Crafton Hills College. My name is Michael Sheehan, and I'd like to just take a few moments to welcome you in and thank you for taking this time as we celebrate the achievements of these students. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce Dr. Keith Wirtz, Vice President of Instruction.
I want to start by commending the faculty and staff for their hard work and dedication in helping all of you successfully complete the respiratory program. The amount of time and effort that the faculty dedicate to your success is amazing, but all of them have gone above and beyond in the last year to ensure that you are learning and successful by finding creative and innovative ways to help you learn what you need to know. Congratulations to all of you. The accomplishment that you have all made is hard enough in normal times. You have achieved this milestone in one of the most historically difficult times in our nation's history. In addition, I know that many of you have struggled to purchase school supplies, food, pay bills, find transportation, have childcare needs, and have overcome health issues. The fact that you have overcome these challenges and graduated with a respiratory degree is amazing. The adjustments and sacrifices that your families and friends have made are astounding. Good luck to all of you. I hope that you and your family stay healthy. Congratulations.
Now introducing Dan Word, Dean of Career and Human Development.
Class of 2021 Respiratory Care Program graduates, congratulations. I wish we could be at Crafton today for this immense achievement, where we could all see and feel the rays of pride and sense of success radiating from each of you. I am so impressed by what you've done to get to this moment. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance in the face of unprecedented challenges is truly worth our admiration. I wish you all the success that you've imagined as you embark on your career journey. Congratulations, go Roadrunners.
And now please welcome Dr. Roger Schwelt, Medical Director for the Respiratory Care Program.
Congratulations, class of 2021, Crafton Hills College. You have waited a long time. You've waited months. You've gone through months of classes, months of training, months of tests. And finally, you've had your final exams. You are finally at the place where you wanted to be. You're at the end. But I've got news for you. It's not the end. It's actually just the beginning. That's why we call it commencement. So it's the beginning of a brand new career. It's the beginning of a brand new experience, a brand new job, where you have been given the tools to be able to do your job in a situation where now society, humanity, the world needs you more than ever. In a world that's hurting, in a world that's failing, you are going to be a light. You're going to be that person at the bedside that's helping people and humanity take their next breath. And there's something to be said for that. You know, this beginning that you have, never forget that the tools that you have received at Crafton Hills College are going to make you a better respiratory therapist. So as you go out there into the field, as you go out there on your job, you're going to feel like you may be not ready, like perhaps you're unsure of yourself. That's natural. That's normal to feel that way as you're leaving school, wondering, do I have the resources? Do I have the knowledge that I'm supposed to have to do my job correctly? You know, everybody has that. And after you get into your job and you finally sink your teeth into what you're doing, you're going to feel just at home and look back and realize that all that training that you received here at Crafton Hills College was exactly what you needed to do. So never forget that your training, your professors, your teachers, the camaraderie that you've gotten here at Crafton Hills College will serve you well now, in the future, and for the rest of your life. Congratulations once again, Crafton Hills College, class of 2021.
Well, guys, here we are at the end of your journey in this program. I know it's been a really tough program for you. It's been a rough journey, and it's designed to be so. So the fact that you've made it this far, you should be proud of yourselves, and you should be proud of your classmates as well. We don't set it up to be easy. And you can see from this last year, At the very beginning, that very first Wednesday, when I addressed the class and I told you guys how difficult this program was going to be, and I told you that when you were going to get burnt out and there was going to come a time where you just were exhausted, and I warned you about how many units that each semester had in it, and you don't always believe us, but now you know. Now you absolutely understand. Every single class is the same way. This program is designed to be tough. It's designed to make sure that when you get out, that you have all the tools necessary to care for and save those lives that are so important. That practice that you've been doing, the things that we've drilled into your brains. You know, we take this very personally, and we take your education personally. We think of you as a family. And we are a family. Every cohort that comes through this program, we feel a connection to. You're going to go out and you're going to graduate, you're going to get a job, you're going to get your license, you're going to begin to work. And as you do so, you're going to bear that Crafton name. You're going to bear my name, Danny's name, Ray's name, Tom's name, Jeff's name, Josh's name, David, Daniel, everybody that's involved in this program, every clinical instructor that has helped you along this journey has done so knowing what it means to succeed in this program. So for just a moment, I'd like to address those sitting around you, the family members that have joined you, sitting on your right and on your left. I would like those family members to take just a second and look at this graduate and understand how committed this student had to be to get to this point. We lose a lot of students, and this program is not for everybody. And I have to be honest, if I were to go through this program right now, I probably wouldn't survive it. This is a tough program, and that means a lot to me to say that. These students deserve your respect, but more so, understand that these students could not have done this without your support. And so I feel nothing but joy and admiration for each and every one of you, knowing that I honestly couldn't have done it. I couldn't do this program. This program is too tough for me. But it's not for you. You made it. You did it. And yes, in what I just said, I'm saying that you are better than me. And you are. You're smarter than I am. You're smarter than Danny is. You're smarter than Ray, and you're smarter than Tom. And that is because you have every ounce of knowledge that each one of us possesses in respiratory care, which means, yes, you've got it all. You guys are amazing. And I could not be more proud of any graduating class for coming out of this pandemic and having to deal with the shifts back and forth into and out of the classroom and the stressors that you guys have gone through. I just want to let you guys know that I'm extremely proud and I'm really happy for you guys. And I'm excited for your futures. Thank you. And now please welcome Mr. Daniel Rojas, Director of Clinical Education for the Respiratory Care Program.
Congratulations, class of 2021. As with every group of students that reaches this point, I want you to know that I'm extremely proud of you. What sets you apart from the rest is that you have persevered through this despite a pandemic. Thankfully, this did not impact your ability to gain excellent clinical practice. However, the demand for RTs remains high. I know we have pushed you to your limits, but you must realize that this was all part of the preparation for entry into the field. Recognize that you are a graduate from the best respiratory program in the region and one of the top schools in the nation, ranking in the top 10% of all RT programs. Your success here makes you a part of an established group of recognized graduates. Be proud of what you have accomplished. Never stop learning. Never stop growing as a care provider, and always strive for altruism. That's the commitment to excellence, never settling for good enough. We would never accept this for the care of our loved ones or for ourselves if we were the patient. So we would never accept this for those that we are responsible for. As you move forward and into your careers, lead and set the example for others to follow. Remain professional in the way you speak, in the way you interact with others, and in the method you carry yourself even outside of the work environment. Maintain participation with professional organizations like the CSRC and the AARC, and be proud of who you are and what you represent. Lastly, I just want to once again congratulate you all and let you all know how truly proud I am that you will be entering the profession that I'm a part of. I feel fortunate in being able to say that I played a small role in helping you to get to this point. I'm confident in the program's decision to release each one of you out into the profession. I know that each of you is going to make a difference in the patients' lives that you provide care for. And now for the clinical award. I am going to recognize this student for outstanding clinical performance. All of the clinical instructors and faculty were queried for this award and recognition. I also have therapists from our clinical affiliates who reach out to me to recognize outstanding clinical performance. These are the people who guided you and spent time with you at the bedside. The person who I would like to recognize demonstrated tremendous dedication and commitment to making the most of every single shift they were a part of. Multiple instructors and assigned therapists found this student to stand out in clinic. This student continues to develop their confidence through application, research, and questioning. This student was described as always being courteous and helpful. Per the assigned clinical instructors, this student applied interaction, discussion, and self-inquiries to build their knowledge base. In clinic, the comments that were received include eager, has a strong work ethic, prepared, and willing to work. The student was described as cool, calm, and collected, polite, motivated, and eager to learn, with a bedside manner that was praised for its strength. I want to recognize Philip Marino. Congratulations, Phil.
It's my pleasure to present the Academic Award. Each year, along with the Clinical Award, we recognize a single student in the class who has shown exemplary performance within the class. Now, this award isn't just based off of grades or grade point average. This award is a student who's been able to put everything together and really shown through this program, and somebody who stands out to us. So as the 4 primary faculty, myself, Danny, Ray, and Tom, we come together and we discuss and decide who is deserving of this award. And while many of you are deserving of this award, we had to single out a single student. And that student is Cassandra Gonzalez. Congratulations, Cassie. We're super proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, now allow me to introduce Mr. Ray Bell, Professor of the Respiratory Care Program.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Crafton Hills College Respiratory graduating class of 2021. Jennifer Aguilar. Laurel Arnold. Rebecca Perona. Timothy Bosch. Ricky Granado. Jocelyn Garzon. Cassandra Gonzalez. Stephanie Geisler. Samantha Johnson. Tom Lamb. Jacob Lauby. Carissa Lopez. Philip Marino. Alyssa Ordaz. Jennifer Orrero. Lorena Saavedra. Bianca So. Congratulations, Respiratory Class of 2021.
Well, everybody, we come to the end. I want to take just another opportunity to say thank you so much. We appreciate you taking this time to celebrate these students' achievements, and to the students, we want to take one more opportunity to tell you how proud we are of you, and we can't wait to be working side by side with you clinically and maybe in education in the future. Thank you all for joining us.